Hi, in this video tutorial we are going to build our first Lightning web component and use all the knowledge that we have acquired from the previous videos and build the first Lightning web component. So let's start. To create our Lightning web component, we are going to use the command palette and use the command create Lightning web component and name our component hello world. Salesforce recommends that we use the camel case format. So Ctrl Shift P, create Lightning web component, hello world, select the directory. After we've executed the command, you can see our hello world folder where 3 files are created under the Lightning web component section. The first file, our HTML file, we are going to display Nadeem space colon space hello world followed by an exclamation. And we are going to wrap it in an SLDS card wrapper and save this file. And now we are going to move on to our JavaScript file. So the JavaScript file will contain all our handlers and our properties. Let's copy this code. Open our JavaScript file and paste it here. So that lightning element phrase on the top that we are importing. So we are importing the lightning element base class for the lightning component and for the lightning component from our core LWC module. And our hello world class is going to extend lightning element. The next file that we have to edit is our meta file. So the two things that are very important to remember here is that we can see our API version and the isExposed attribute. By default, the isExposed attribute is set to false, and if we want to view our Lightning web component and make it available on our Lightning app builder, we have to set this value to true. So let's copy this code and paste it on our meta file. We're going to set the isExposed to true. And now we are going to add our targets. The purpose of adding targets is so we can make our LWC available for our pages. In this case, we are making it available for our record page, our home page, and our app page. Now we have to push our files to our SketchUp. So we can use the command sfdx push source to default scratch.org through our palette. And once this command has successfully run, we are given the list of files that were added. The next step would be for us to open our scratch.org. You can use this also through our palette. Open default scratch.org, default org. Click on the gear icon and click on setup if you are not already on the setup page. And on the left hand side, you can click the app launcher and open our service app. Now we are going to click our gear icon on the right hand side and edit this page. On the left hand side, under the custom section, we are going to see the Lightning Web Component that we have created. We are going to then drag this component onto our service app page, and we will have to save this action and activate it. Once we have activated this page, we can assign as org default and save. And now we click on back. And we can see that our service app page is showing our Lightning Web Component. So now we have successfully created our Lightning Web Component and displayed it on a service app. In the following tutorials, we are going to discuss about decorators and learn how to use them. So I will catch you guys in the next one.